Hello everyone, my name is John Paul Pascual from grade 11 UMS B. So for today, I will discuss what is communication breakdown. A communication breakdown is all about lack of communication and failure to exchange information. So, I will show what is the example of communication breakdown.
A few moments later.
This is the example of communication breakdown.
Hi. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. What? How about you? And ako din love life. What? How about your love life? Oh, I'm happy. How about you? Complicated. Let me invite you to my what? Let me invite you to my birthday this Saturday. This Saturday. In our house. It's Bohemia. What time? Around 4 p.m. Oh, 4. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And please bring a gift for me because what? Bring a gift for you. Oh, sure. Why not? Sure. Make sure that I will love that gift. Oh, okay. I will. Okay. Thank you. See you Saturday.
How can we avoid communication breakdown? Make sure you're in a quiet environment, like without any music, external noise, to understand each other, like this.
Hey,
Yeah.
sorry, lately, you talk about this one and it was so too noisy and I cannot hear you well. Can you just repeat it?
Yeah, I'm gonna invite you to my 18th birthday debut. Yeah.
What time?
At 4 p.m.
Where?
In our place, Proxinco Rizal, Santiago City.
I don't want to open it, but what is my role here?
Your role is you will be in my gift, 18th
Gift?
gift, and my 18th candle, like
Yeah.
that.
Oh, so what gift do you want? Can I ask, or it should be?
I mean, I don't like. I'm not gonna choose. You just make sure that I can love it, or I will love it.
Just like as precious as
Yeah.
you. Okay. Can I suggest a food?
Yeah, I can talk to our chef that who will cook in our.
Is there a Shanghai? Can you make a Shanghai there if it's okay?
Yeah,
Shanghai.
sure. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
probably.
easy to.
Probably I will go there. So thank you. Sorry,
Yeah.
I cannot understand. this
Just make
problem.
sure to bring gift.
Yeah,
Okay?
I will. Don't you worry.
Just make it beautiful.
Oh, look at this. It was so pretty as you
Yeah,
know.
I love the color blue, right?
Yeah, perfect to you. Okay, see you on Saturday.
See you.
See you to Shanghai.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
In a communication, use same language to avoid lost translation and understand each other easily, like this.
Oh my God! It's been a long time, Venus. Oh my God, how are you?
Yeah, you can sit there so we can talk. You know, John Paul came here earlier, so but he's not talking to me. He's like nodding and.
Oh, it's just like maybe he didn't understand what
Yeah,
you
I
said.
just want to tell you about that. I'd like us to have a trip to, like in Boracay or in Palawan.
Mhm.
I'm choosing, and my parents will cover all the
We'll
expenses
cover all.
for 1 week there.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh, you're so
Yeah.
rich.
So, what do you want, like Palawan or Boracay?
We cannot go boat.
No,
It's
because
all-
you know it's
It
very
will be too
expensive.
expensive, yeah.
For
What
my
is-
parents.
For me, it's Boracay. It's just for my opinion because I've never been in Boracay, but in Palawan I know there before. So
Yeah,
I'll
I
choose
know
Boracay.
that it's beautiful in Boracay, but I'd like to go to Palawan.
Yeah, Palawan is better too because I've been there last year.
Or maybe we can just ask them if
Which one?
they want to go. Yeah.
It's just like we will vote.
Yeah.
It's like majority win. Oh, okay. So is it free? It will be free.
Yeah, free. Oh,
That's my point. It's
expensive.
free. Free. We won't
Yeah.
consume anything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just
All
ask.
the expenses is
Even
my
foods.
parents.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God.
for 1 week. Because I really miss you guys and it's been 10
It's been
years
10
since
years. So I need to go because I will inform John Paul and you should inform the others
I'll
too.
make a group chat. So
Okay, majority win, okay?
Yeah.
Is it free, honestly?
Yeah.
Pink swear?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye, oh my
Bye.
god, bye-bye.
That's all. Thank you.